most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together, we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
And our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, we're going to talk about how a $3 ball can fix your rounded shoulders and poor posture.
Say no more, Bob.
I won't. By the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, you're going to want to go to our website, bobandbrad.com, because we're always giving something away every week. And we're also, you find it on Bob and Brad on Facebook. It's pinned at the top of the page.
I'm smiling.
Oh, you are? Very good. And you can also find a short version of our program on Twitter and Instagram.
There you go.
By the way, our giveaway is the FITINDEX vibrating foam roller. We're giving away a couple of these. This is a really cool foam roller. We'll be doing a video on this.
You hear it vibrate, Mike? Oh, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So we're going to set a record today, Brad. We're going to do such a short video. So I'm just going to tell a quick story. I had a girl that used to work for me, and she became a school teacher.
Sure.
And she came in one day. She goes, "I'm having terrible pain."
Lindsay?
No.
Oh.
No. I don't think you know her. But anyway, she's having terrible pain. And, come to find out that she's been using a laptop a lot. And she's showing the really poor posture. So all I did is I showed her this one exercise using a $3 ball that you can get at any big box store. And she came to me like a month later and said, "It's completely gone." She goes, "It was like a miracle." So
what did she do? Take some Tylenol?
No, she used a $3 ball. So Brad,
let's show them, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, this is really a good, simple exercise.
Yeah, and by the way, it was invented by Mike, the cameraman.
That's right.
He's we got to give credit where credit is due.
That's right. Too bad we can't see him, Mike.
Too bad we can't call it the Mike ball treatment or something.
So it's actually about an 6 or 8 inch ball, and it's nice to have it. It's a little bit flat. Actually works better than a hard one. So put it right there.
It doesn't have to be flat though.
No, I think it works better though.
All right.
Well, you can kind of soak into it a little bit.
Now look at this, what he's doing here. He's not only stretching the shoulders, but he's also stretching the mid-back, and that's where we tend to round out. The thing that's nice about the ball is that it can be moved up and down. You can get different positions. And so you can get different spots. You can move it up higher, you can move it down lower. And it's very simple that you can just keep it by your desk or by your chair. And that's the other thing I like about it, Brad. It's a reminder.
Right.
It's a visual reminder that you need to correct your posture.
And it's a little talking point. People walk by and say, "What you got the ball there for?" And it'll spread throughout the whole office.
That's right. But the other thing about this is I would do it quite often.
Right.
I would do it
every hour at least.
Every hour at least.
But don't spend 20 minutes with it. You got to get some work done.
Right.
You only need 30 seconds or so.
30-second stretch, and you're good to go again, and it's already correcting things.
Right. And it's going to help wake you up if you're getting that drowsiness in that 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Little stretch here, open the lungs up, stretch out. You're ready to go.
You're all good. And remember, we can fix just about anything
except for
a broken heart.
But we're working on it.
That's right.
Yep.
We'll get there.
This may be part of the solution, being the 3rd chapter, perhaps.
I don't think so.